New coronavirus cases were announced today in the Treasure State. It brings Montana's total to 20. However, one of those cases is a part-time Montana resident living in Maryland who was tested there. So far, cases have been confirmed in Lewis and Clark, Missoula, Flathead, Madison, Yellowstone, Gallatin, Roosevelt, Broadwater, and Butte-Silver Bow counties.
Governor Steve Bullock also gave an update today on the state's efforts to prepare for coronavirus, including securing the supplies needed for testing.
MTN's Jonathan Ambarian has more on the steps leaders are taking.
On Friday, Governor Steve Bullock said so far, Montana has had enough supplies to test everyone who's been identified by healthcare providers. But he said they're still looking for more.
There is a national shortage of supplies to a degree needed for COVID-19, and we're doing everything possible to overcome this challenge in Montana, secure necessary materials that will allow the healthcare community to safely test those who need it.
Bullock said they will soon be distributing supplies out of state and federal emergency stockpiles. This weekend, he said about 16,000 N95 masks will be provided to hospitals and first responders. Additional swabs needed to collect test samples will also be arriving soon. Earlier on Friday, Bullock ordered the statewide closure of dine-in restaurants, bars, breweries, and other businesses that can draw large gatherings. He said he had been considering the action for several days, but now was the right time to do it.
As we see positive cases that includes both younger and older Montanans, and in cases urban and now rural, I know that closure and these actions are imperative to protecting our friends and neighbors.
He praised the actions by Montana businesses and individuals who have worked to help their neighbors at this time, and he asked Montanans to continue doing all they can.
There are two ways that together we're going to make it through all of this, and Montanans are already engaging in both of those ways. First, preventative measures through social distancing, and second, looking out for one another with our strong community ties.
In Helena, Jonathan Ambarian, MTN News.
Bullock also announced Montana's income tax filing deadline will be extended from April 15th to July 15th, bringing it in line with the postponed federal deadline.